In this video, I'm going to tell you how one Instagram Reel can bring you reoccurring monthly affiliate commissions. In this video, you're going to know exactly what to do and you're going to be able to take action right away. So, what you need is the right affiliate offer. So, most affiliate programs pay out a one-time commission. They give you a very small commission because they don't actually need you. And sometimes your Instagram Reels, they may do well, they may not, but in this strategy, I'm going to tell you exactly what to do, okay? So even from one viral video, first you have to have the viral video, okay? And it can't be something you've already posted. You have to post a new viral video. So you have to fully understand what made that video do well, whether it's your video or your competition. You need to understand the platform that they optimize for watch time, saves, and shares, and understand what kind of content gets those metrics, okay? So once you understand the viral video framework, from there, you need to have the right offer, okay? So not only do you need to pair the right offer with the right audience, you also need a way to get the viewers to your affiliate link off the platform and buy the product, okay? So there's 3 steps there. Number 1 is the viral video. Number 2 is getting them to convert off the platform. Number 3 is convert, for the sale, okay? So once you understand the viral video framework, you need to look at your competition, and don't skip this part, please. Look at your competition, understand exactly why they went viral, understand the framework that they're using, the video length, the text on the screen, the music, all of it matters. The caption matters, all of it. Once you have an idea of how to make a video go viral, now you need to have the right technique to capture the people in the video that are interested in your offer, okay? You could set up a mini chat automation, but basically you want to add a call to action in your video. Somewhere, whether it's verbal, written on screen, or in the caption. You could have comment a word, and that will capture the leads, the people who are really interested in what you have to sell, okay? So you respond to the comments and you're able to then DM the people who responded to your comments, to respond to your video with a comment, and you're able to DM them your affiliate link, okay? So that's how we capture them. First, we get the traffic. Second, we capture them, get them in a DM message and send them the link. And thirdly, we need the right product to offer, something that they're interested in, okay? And the best affiliate program in the world that gives reoccurring commissions is my school group, Project Profit, okay? So you earn reoccurring monthly commissions simply by referring other people to the group. That's how it works. Now, within the group, when you sign up, I teach you exactly the full viral video framework, how to set up the automations for people who comment, and how to create a high trust account so that your videos get a healthy push instead of a low trust account where they only test your video with a very small audience. I teach you everything you need to know about promoting your link in the best way possible so you can refer as many people as possible. And that is ultimately how you earn reoccurring commissions from just one Instagram Reel.